Welcome to one of the biggest moments in RØDE's history. Something that we've been working towards for over 5 years. Product releases like this don't come around often, and this is without a doubt the most groundbreaking innovation we've ever released. Our mission is to build products that revolutionize creativity by making the tools that you need to create incredible content more accessible than ever. Back in 2018, we launched the RØDECaster Pro into the world, the very first all-in-one podcasting console, which completely changed the way that people record podcasts by making it incredibly easy to record professional quality audio. In 2022, we released its successor, the RØDECaster Pro 2. Redesigned from the ground up to deliver better quality audio, more power, more flexibility, and more customizability, it is still the ultimate audio solution for creators. Then in 2023, we released our very first video product, marking a bold new direction for RØDE and a sign of things to come. Today, we are taking the next step in this evolution. Introducing the RØDECaster Video. The RØDECaster Video is a revolutionary video and audio production console that combines powerful video switching, production, and recording capabilities with a complete professional audio studio. Essentially, it fuses the power of a RØDECaster with groundbreaking innovations for video production, all in an intuitive console that will unlock more efficient workflows and make it easier than ever to create incredible video content. We built the RØDECaster Video completely from the ground up, utilizing our decades of experience in audio technology and countless hours of research into exactly what creators want from a video production console. Our goal was to put all of the tools that you need to create content that looks and sounds exceptional in your hands, to create the ultimate all-in-one device for video production, content creation, and video podcasting, plus live streaming and broadcasting applications for everything from house of worship and weddings to business presentations and educational content, live events, and more. With the RØDECaster Video, we have achieved just that. It represents a completely new way to create multi-camera content, one that is set to shake up the world of video creation, just like the RØDECaster Pro did for audio production. We are incredibly excited to share it with you. Let me walk you through the features. At its heart, the RØDECaster Video is a video switcher, but it's not like any other video switcher you've ever used. As you can see, there are 6 buttons on the bottom row here, which allow you to switch between 6 video sources from a variety of different video inputs depending on your setup. There are also 7 buttons on the top row. These allow you to seamlessly switch between 7 fully customizable scenes that you can easily create using your video input sources, plus graphics, media, and other compositional elements, which are all accessible via the front panel. This is one of the innovative features of the RØDECaster Video, which we'll dive into more a bit later. Essentially, the RØDECaster Video is designed to give you all the tools you need to produce highly dynamic and engaging video content with hands-on creative control unlike any other video device. The other unique defining characteristic of the RØDECaster Video is its audio capabilities. This is the first product in its class to combine comprehensive video switching and production features with an array of audio connectivity options to suit any content type, plus truly professional audio recording, mixing, and processing functionality. Of course, being a RØDE product, sound was not an afterthought here. The RØDECaster Video gives you everything you need to capture incredible audio to match your vision. All of this functionality is supercharged by a high-performance octa-core CPU video and audio processor. This is far more powerful than any product in its class, more than enough to handle even the most intensive productions. In short, the RØDECaster Video is an audio and video powerhouse. Next, let's look at the inputs and outputs. The RØDECaster Video offers a plethora of video and audio connectivity options to suit a wide range of applications and can easily adapt to your setup and creative needs. On the back here, you have 4 Full HD HDMI video inputs for connecting cameras and other video sources. Next to these, you have 2 multifunction USB-C ports, which can be used to connect UVC inputs like webcams or other USB video sources, plus other USB devices, which I'll get to shortly. This feature is completely unique to the RØDECaster Video and makes it extremely versatile. It also future-proofs the RØDECaster Video for changing camera technology as USB cameras continue to evolve. Using any combination of these HDMI or USB inputs, you can connect up to 6 video sources and switch between them on the fly using the buttons on the front panel. You also have 2 HDMI video outputs for connecting video monitors. These are both fully configurable and can display either your preview, program, or multi-view output, and more on this a little bit later. For audio inputs, you have 2 studio-grade Neutrik combo jacks for connecting XLR microphones, instruments, or line-level devices. These feature the same ultra-low noise, high-gain Revolution preamps as the RØDECaster Pro 2 and Duo, ensuring the highest possible audio quality. We have also built 2 wireless microphone receivers into the RØDECaster Video, allowing you to directly connect any Rode Series 4 wireless mics, as well as XLR mics for even more flexibility to adapt to a wide variety of production scenarios. You can connect Rode USB microphones using the multifunction USB ports in case you need to expand your audio inputs. Or if you need even more audio power, you can also connect a RØDECaster Pro 2 or RØDECaster Duo via USB, which is ideal if you need even greater flexibility with your connectivity options, or if you want to take a more hands-on approach to audio mixing. Each of your HDMI video inputs can also be used as an audio source, and there is also Bluetooth connectivity for connecting your phone for audio streaming. In total, there are 19 possible audio inputs to choose from, which you can monitor on speakers or 2 pairs of headphones using the outputs on the back, and you can control them using the rotary encoder on the front. Not only does the RØDECaster Video allow you to connect a wide variety of video inputs, but it also gives you access to different ways you can utilize these inputs, as well as the ability to add other video elements to make your content more dynamic. How? Using these 4 function buttons, which give you access to media, graphic overlays, multi-source scene creation, and keying, all directly from the front panel. These buttons are super powerful and can do a lot, so let's break them down one by one. The media button does exactly what you think it does. Lets you add media sources other than video or audio inputs to your production. The RØDECaster Video has an inbuilt microSD card reader, which you can load almost any media that you want onto, then play it back in your production, either by itself or alongside another video input or media in a scene. Media can easily be added to the microSD card using Rode Central and can be anything from video clips to images and sounds. Once loaded on, simply tapping the media button, then selecting the slot in the media it's assigned to, will play it back instantly. You can preview the media either on your multi-view display or on the touchscreen, making it super easy to know what media you're about to launch. The overlay button will let you dynamically add graphics to your scene, which you can position over the top of an input, media, or scene. This is great for adding titles, logos, lower thirds, or any other graphic element to your content. Next, you have the multi-source scene button. This lets you quickly and easily create custom compositions using multiple sources from your video inputs and saved media. You have loads of layout templates to choose from in both picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture arrangements, which can also be customized to your needs in Rode Central. Lastly, there's the key button. Tapping on any video input, then tapping the key button and applying a background or transparency will automatically key out the input for you. This makes setting up video with a green screen super simple and much quicker than on other devices. Once set up, you can easily use that keyed input in another multi-source composition with other video inputs or media. As you can see, with the RØDECaster Video, we made everything as hands-on as possible in order to speed up your workflow and maximize your creativity. Everything you need to create rich, multi-layered compositions of video, graphics, and media customized layouts, and keyed inputs is available right there at your fingertips. One of the most groundbreaking features of the RØDECaster video is its proprietary scene-based switching. Once you've created a composition using your video inputs, media, and custom layouts, you can simply press and hold any of the scene buttons to save it. Then press it again at any time to switch to that scene. This workflow is hugely innovative and does away with the complicated and tedious macro-based systems of other switches. It is one of the main reasons the RØDECaster video is so unique and powerful, but it's also very intuitive, making video switching more accessible than ever. And if you want to get more advanced or prefer using a computer to create your compositions, there's also an easy-to-use scene builder in the RØDE Central companion software. This lets you create a complete custom scene from scratch with up to 10 layers and gives you even more flexibility over positioning, cropping, and other elements of your composition. A live RTMP feed will update any changes you make in real time, so you can build scenes on the fly with your computer even while you're recording. Oh, and did I mention that you can connect RØDE Central to the RØDECaster video wirelessly? Yes, that means real-time wireless configuration and control of your whole production. Another unique and powerful feature of the RØDECaster video is the inspect button. Pressing this, then pressing any of the video input, scene, media, or graphic buttons will give you an instant on-demand preview of what is allocated to it via the touchscreen and your preview output. You can also quickly reconfigure that button if you need to. For example, pressing the video input buttons will tell you which HDMI or UVC input is allocated to that button, and allow you to select a different input source using the rotary encoder. Pressing a scene button will let you delete or move the scene to a different button, and pressing a media or graphic button will let you view it on the touchscreen or delete or move it. Inspecting any button in instant mode will also give you an on-demand preview of it on your preview screen. This is an incredibly handy feature. Not only does it make it quick and easy to configure the RØDECaster video on the fly, but it's also great for building your confidence when streaming or filming because you can always know what is allocated to each button. The last two buttons on the front panel are the cut and auto buttons. These work in two different ways depending on which switching mode you're in, instant or studio. In instant mode, when cut is selected, pressing a scene or video input button will switch instantly to it. But when auto is selected, it will transition using a fade, dip, or wipe. You can also choose the transition time. In studio mode, the switching workflow is slightly different. First, you select a scene or input in order to review it in the preview feed, and then you either press cut or auto to send it live. This will either instantly cut your input or apply the automatic transition respectively. This is a more traditional broadcast workflow, as it allows you to view what you're about to switch to before going live. But having the ability to choose between these two options is really handy. For example, instant mode might be more suitable for you if you're a solo creator with only a few inputs and you want to be able to switch quickly. In addition to its flexible manual switching features, the RØDECaster video features intelligent auto-switching technology for seamless, hands-free switching between the video sources and scenes. Essentially, any audio input can be linked to any video source or scene, with smart level detection algorithms being in charge of triggering the switching. The auto-switching is fully configurable with switching priority settings and screen time calculations, making sure that the switching feels natural and creative, just like having an experienced producer behind the console doing all of the work for you. This feature is incredibly useful for video podcasters, solo productions, or any other application where you don't need an operator controlling the RØDECaster video. As I mentioned earlier, the RØDECaster video has two HDMI outputs for connecting displays or monitors. These can be configured to output either your program, preview, or multi-view feeds. The first two are pretty straightforward. The program feed is what is going live, so what your audience will see. And the preview is what you have loaded up to switch to next if you're in studio mode. Multi-view is even more useful. It displays both the preview and program feeds, as well as what is assigned to every single scene and video input button, plus the graphics and media buttons, an audio mixer, your streaming and recording status, stream health, time and date, and even more. Essentially, it gives you a detailed snapshot of everything that you need to see and know all in one place. Also, unlike other switchers, the RØDECaster Video's powerful video engine does not share video layers between the different outputs, so you can view your full compositions in both your preview and program feeds. This is very useful as you get to see exactly what the video will look like before it goes live. Now, I've been talking a lot about the RØDECaster Video's extensive video features, but it's also a complete audio production solution with more powerful audio connectivity, mixing, and processing capabilities than any other video switcher out there. As I mentioned, you have loads of options for connecting different audio inputs via the combo jacks, USB and HDMI inputs, plus wireless mics or even a mobile device using Bluetooth. It also offers studio-grade Aphex audio processing, exactly like the RØDECaster. You can craft the perfect audio using a variety of processors, including EQ and compression, a noise gate and de-esser, the legendary Aphex Aural Exciter, Big Bottom and Compeller effects, as well as set your gain, select between different mic types, activate phantom power, monitor your levels, and more. You can configure your mics and add processing using the simple yet powerful VoxLab editor directly from the unit, or you can take full control of your audio with advanced mixing, routing, and processing using Rode Central. Just like a RØDECaster, all of your audio can be recorded either as a complete stereo mix or in multi-track, allowing you to mix each individual audio input in post-production. Having all of your audio and video controlled by one device is incredibly convenient. The RØDECaster Video will streamline and simplify your production setup and also make it highly portable. A complete broadcast studio you can fit in your backpack. The RØDECaster Video is designed to be as versatile as possible for all kinds of video creators, from solo productions and video podcasts to streaming live events, presentations, performances, worship services, and more. It offers maximum flexibility, whether you stream live or record your video to be edited later, or both. You can stream directly from the RØDECaster Video to an RTMP feed wherever your audience is, with dedicated settings for each platform so you can go live with the touch of a button. You can do this wirelessly via Wi-Fi or via Ethernet, or you can connect to your favorite streaming software like Ecamm or OBS via USB. The streaming icon will let you know when you are live, and there's a timer on the touchscreen to keep track of your stream or recording. And like I mentioned before, the multi-view screen gives you even more information, like your connection health, so you always have confidence in your stream. The RØDECaster Video is also a video and audio recorder, allowing you to capture all of your media and save it onto an external USB drive, which you can use later to export for editing. You can either record your full production or each individual video and audio source. Despite its vast capabilities and extensive feature set, the RØDECaster Video is incredibly compact and highly portable. At less than 12 inches wide and 5 inches deep, it takes up minimal desktop real estate, and its integrated design, combining video and audio in one device, means you need less equipment to get more out of your productions. Its sleek black aesthetic will look great in any setup, and its bright LEDs and touchscreen display, tactile buttons, and intuitive encoders make it a joy to operate. The RØDECaster Video is made using premium components, including a rugged aluminium base, and is built to the highest standard right here at Røde's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Sydney, Australia. And that is the RØDECaster Video. As you can see, this is so much more powerful than just a video switcher. It's a video and audio powerhouse that's set to supercharge your creativity when making any kind of multi-camera video content. Incredibly powerful, extremely flexible, and highly intuitive, the RØDECaster Video will help you take your productions to the next level. And like many RØDE products, it is fully updatable and will continue to be enhanced with new features and functionality. This is truly just the beginning. To discover more about the RØDECaster video, check out the website. Happy creating!